Exclusive deal, save $100 on swellpros spry waterproof drone with this code. Waterproof drones are hard to come by, specially discounted ones. Luckily for you, swellpros waterproof drone is on sale at Wellbits, but only for ZDNet readers who use an exclusive promo code at checkout. The drone market has exploded in recent years, with everyone from hobbyists to professionals trying them. General use ones are ideal for capturing scenic videos, while specialized drones can be leveraged for work, rescue situations, and even for military purposes. There are so many drones available, you just need to decide why you need one and for what reason. If you require something that not only can fly but also float and be submerged in water, your choices are much more limited, however. Fortunately, Wellbits, an online store full of robots, smart home devices, cameras, and more, has plenty of drones you can choose from, including the waterproof swellpros spry drone, its top-selling drone. The Spry packs a 4K waterproof camera and other useful features that allow it to autonomously follow you and return home. Even the remote control is waterproof, so you can get in the water with it. Image the 18th of September 2019 at 2:40:40 p.m.jpg. For a limited time, Wellbits is offering ZDNet readers a $100 discount on the swellpros spry, as long as you apply the promo code ZDNETSPRY at checkout. This waterproof drone can take 4K 30fps video, 12MP stills, has 64 GB of memory, supports Wi-Fi connectivity, and offers onboard stabilization, all of which make it useful for a variety of situations and applications. Also, best professional drones on Amazon Business. The Spry drone normally costs $987 at Wellbits, before any discount is applied. And that's already the cheapest price we could find online, so with the extra 10% off at Wellbits, you're saving about $100 and getting the absolute best deal available. Wellbits also offers Affirm financing to qualifying shoppers, so you can choose to pay it off over time. For more great deals on devices, gadgetry, and tech for your enterprise, business, or home office, see ZDNet's Business Bargain Hunter blog. Affiliate disclosure: ZDNet may earn a commission from some of the products featured on this page. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.